Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to use the Tapo Smart Motion Sensor to turn on lights. Here you can have an automation using your Tapo app. So here, as you can see, I have the Tapo app already working with my Tapo T100, which is the smart sensor. And here I have a Tapo P125, which is this device here. That's a smart plug, okay? So I can control the smart plug remotely via app and also automate using this motion sensor. So let me just come here to my cell phone, and then from here I see the Tapo T100 and the Tapo 125M. So I just come here to the Tapo 125M, and from here see that I have the option to use smart actions. Here in smart action I can just add a smart action, and this is an automation. It's working all the time, so the effective time is always. I can also select a schedule, and here it's when. So when the device status change, in that case that'll be the Tapo T100, the smart sensor. So when it's detect motion, okay, that's the one. I come here to then add an action to control a device. This device is here in my office, is the Tapo P125. I wanted to turn it on, right? That's the device they have just right here connected to this lamp. It's a smart plug. So I just hit done. And now every time that there is a motion in front of the sensor, is going to turn on the smart hub just like this, right? So I just create here and I give it a name like lights on. Save, and I'm good to go. It's on here, right? It's enabled here. So I just need to move my hand here in front of the sensor and it's going to turn on the light. If it's not working, I just need to come here and adjust. Let me just come here and check what happened in here right now. So I come back here to the sensor and you see that it triggers the motion, okay? But it triggers sometime later. That's because I have here in the setup, the interval is too long, 16 seconds, right? So I just come here and I pull down to 4 seconds. So I'm good to go now. I'm just come back here, and from here I can just turn off the lights, right? Then I just wait for 4 seconds, and then I can just move my hand in front of the sensor again. Let's see if it works. There we go. It takes 1 second and turns on the light back there. Okay, so it's working pretty fine. I hope that helps. You can get your sensor on Amazon. And if you like this video, please leave your comments, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.